AMD has been struggling to deliver a decent value proposition compared to Nvidia for a couple of generations now. While Radeon cards always have great raw performance, they usually have uncompetitive pricing and poor results in ray tracing. AMD is looking to change that with the 9070 XT. The PowerColor Red Devil variant, in particular, nails the balance between price and power, even if it's not as flashy as its pricier siblings. While the 9070 XT doesn't have a direct predecessor, it serves as an upgrade to the RX 7900 GRE. It trades a few cores for a significantly higher boost clock, up to 3.06 GHz, and RDNA 4's architectural tweaks, delivering 20% faster rasterization than the GRE, and even 6 to 8% gains over the 7900 XT. Compared to Nvidia's closest competitor, the RTX 5070 Ti, it's just 9% slower in raw performance, but 25% cheaper, a trade-off that's more than worth it with the current GPU market. Most importantly, AMD's new RDNA 4 architecture brings AMD's ray tracing and AI capabilities closer to that of Nvidia. FSR4, AMD's upscaling alternative to DLSS, now uses machine learning and AI algorithms to improve upscaling. While it's not quite as sharp as DLSS 4, it's a massive leap over FSR3 and DLSS 3, with almost better than native image quality and motion handling. The Red Devil itself is a beast of a card. Like most powerful GPUs, this is a triple-slot card that's gigantic in size. It is 13.4 inches long and chunkier than most mid-range GPUs. As expected, you won't be fitting this into any ITX or even most micro ATX cases with ease. Fortunately, the 3-fan cooling keeps temps surprisingly tame even under load. The black shroud with red accents and aggressive RGB lighting mimics the classic gamer aesthetic that you all know and love. Fortunately, PowerColor has restrained the flashy aesthetic with the mostly black appearance, giving the Red Devil a clean look with a subtle red glow. It comes with a GPU support bracket and an addressable RGB LED cable that can plug into your motherboard or fan controller. In terms of performance, when paired with a Ryzen 9 9900X, expect excellent frame rates at 1440p. For games like Cyberpunk 2077, Alan Wake 2, and God of War Ragnarok, you get a smooth 120 FPS with the highest settings. Competitive titles are not a problem either, as Counter-Strike 2 can run at 250 FPS with the highest settings at 1440p. Interestingly, the 9070 XT also handles a surprising number of titles at 4K. FSR4 upscaling helps here, and most games are playable at 4K with the right mix of settings and upscaling. When it comes to the competition, the 5070 Ti costs around $150 more, and it doesn't offer all that much more in terms of performance. The standard RTX 5070 is closer in price, but suffers from 4GB less VRAM and worse performance. However, the 9070 XT does draw more power than either card. So, that makes the RX 9070 XT the best performing mid-range GPU of this generation. It's the one you should be buying instead of the 5070 or 5070 Ti because of the value proposition alone. Best of all, it pairs well with high-end CPUs such as the Ryzen 9 9900X. To sum up, what I like is the stellar performance across the board, the competitive pricing, the iconic red and black design, and the major improvements with FSR4. On the downside, it draws more power than RTX 5070 and 5070 Ti, and the actual market price is higher these days. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.